Let us start today the exercise 8.2. Chapter name is Ratio and Proportion from the book ML Overall. Okay. Exercise 8.2, chapter name is Ratio and Proportion. Question number 1, you see, find the value of x in the following proportion. Question number 1, find the value of x in the following proportion. First question given like this: 10:35 is equal to x is to 42. There are 4 parts are there. Let me solve one by one. Just wait. Question number 1, first part, it is given 10:35 equal to x is to 42. You have to find out the value of x. What do you mean by 10:35? Means 10 by 35, and this is nothing but x by 42. After that, you have to find out the value of x. How? X is equal to 10 by 35 into 42. Now this will be cancelled by 7 6 is 42, 7 5 is 32. Sorry, 7 5 is 35, 5 2 is 10. Finally, how much you are getting? X is equal to 2 6 is 12. So what is the value of x? The value of x is equal to 2. Next, I am going to second part. The second part, number 1, it is given 3 is to x is equal to 24 is to 2 given. Okay. Same process, 3 by x is equal to 24 by 2. After cross multiplication, 24x is equal to 2 3 is 6. Okay. So what is the value of x? That means x is equal to 6 by 24. 6 by 24 means 1 by 4 is the answer. After cross multiplication, 24x equal to 6 and x is equal to 6 by 24. 6 4 is 24. 1 by 4 is the answer. Number third. Question of third part, it is given, just to see, 2.5 is to 1.5 is equal to x is to 3. Now 2.5 by 1.5 is equal to x by 3. This point can be cancelled, means what you will get? 25 by 15 is equal to x by 3. It will go by 5, 5 3, 5 5, 25. 5 by 3 is equal to x by 3. 3 3 cancel, that means x is equal to 5. What is the answer? X is equal to 5. Let us do the last part of number 1, that is fourth part. See the fourth part question given, x is to 50 is equal to 3 is to 2. Same process, this means x by 50 is equal to 3 by 2. Now x is equal to how much? 3 by 2 into 50. This will go 225 is 50. Finally, x equal to how much getting? 325 is 25 3 is 75. X is equal to 75. This is the answer of number 1, fourth part. Let us go next number. See, question number 19, the important question I am doing for your coming unit test. If x, y, z are in continuous proportion, proportion, okay. Continue proportion, prove that x plus y whole square by y plus z whole square is equal to x by z. What is your given here? As x by y is equal to y by z, because continuous proportion means x by y is equal to y by z. So this implies x by y is equal to y by z equal to k. Let us assume we are taking as k. So from here you can get y is equal to zk, y is equal to zk, and x equal to how much? Yk. Put the value of y is here, zk, that will be, answer will be z k square. X is equal to z k square. Now you have to substitute in right hand side as well as left hand side. First I am solving the right hand side. What is right hand side? That is x by z. Put the value of x, that is z k square by z. which is equal to k square. This is your right hand side. The left hand side will be how much? Left hand side is x plus y whole square by y plus z whole square. Now x is equal to zk square plus y is equal to zk. You have to put the value, divided by this is whole square, and y is how much? Zk plus z total whole square. In the numerator, how much you can take common? Zk common, but it whole square given. Taking zk common, if it will come outside, it will be z square, k square. Inside bracket, what left? K plus 1 whole square. And denominator also same thing, you can take z common. Z common, if you take z common, what will be the result? If you take z common, this will be z square, k plus 1 left, k plus 1 whole square. Now z square cancel, this will also cancel, left k square, just you see. So what is your left hand side, what is your right hand side? Left hand side k square, right hand side also k square. Okay, in this way, question number 19 from the book ML Agarwal, it is proved. Question given x, y, z are in continuous proportion, means they are continuous, means y will be repeated. Here x, y, z are in continuous proportion, means x by y is equal to y by z. Okay, from here you have to take x by y is equal to y by z equal to k. Therefore y is equal to zk and x is equal to yk. Put in the value of y here, we will get zk square. Both sides you have to simplify, left hand side as well as right hand side. In this way I have completed one more question, number 19. Let us go one more question. See, as per the students' demand, I am doing the question number 8. They are telling to solve. Okay. Question given, I have taken the question from the book ML Agarwal. If 2x minus 1, 5x minus 6, 6x plus 2 and 15x minus 9 are in proportion, then find the value of x. There are three numbers are there: 2x minus 1, 5x minus 6, here one number, 5x minus 6, 6x plus 2 and 15x minus 9. There are four numbers are in proportion. What do you mean by this one? That means 2x minus 1 by 5x minus 6. First number by second number, not continue, only proportion given. That means first by second equal to third by fourth. 6x plus 2 by 15x minus 9. After that, just you have to solve for x by cross multiplication. 2x minus 1 whole into 15x minus 9. This is 6x plus 2 whole into 5x minus 6. After that, you have to open the bracket. This will be 15 to the 30 x square minus 9 to the 18x minus 15x plus 9, and this side this is also 30x square coming, minus 6 is 36x. Okay, and this will be plus 10x minus 12. The both sides 30x square can be cancelled. Minus 18x and minus 15x, this will be minus 33x plus 9. This side minus 36x plus 10x, that means this will be minus 26x and minus 12. Do one thing, 9, this minus 12 bring this side, this will be plus 12 and minus 26x, and this will be plus 33x. 12 plus 9, how much coming it is? 21, and this side will be how much? 33 minus 26, how much? 7x. So finally we are getting the value of x will be how much? X is equal to 21 by 7, which is equal to 3. Okay, therefore the value of x is equal to 3. This is the answer. In this one I have completed number 19, number 8, and number 1 all the 4 parts. Okay, from this chapter ratio proportion from the book ML Agarwal exercise 8.2. Try to practice more sum from this book. The main important sum today I have done. Thank you for today class.